Hello guys, I welcome you all to today's video. It's another beautiful morning and it's Friday and we are happy to have gone through this week with successful trading opportunities. Thank you guys for always joining me every day, most especially in the night during the time for the $500 trading tips for trading boom and crash. And I'm really happy so many of you are already taking advantage of this. I'm getting more people around the $300 area and I'm really happy, and you guys have been consistent with this. I'm really happy. I have a lot of people around the $200, and of course I want to see you guys around the $300, and very soon I know one of you will be launching the $400, but I know it's not going to be a long time from now. But you guys should take it easy. You don't need to rush into it. Go gradually and you will see that as you keep on increasing your trading capital, you will achieve this aim. My aim is for you guys to be making $500 per day. Okay, that is all about the $500 trading tips. Okay guys, we will continue from where we stopped with our training on how to use the stop loss to trade boom and crash. Okay, that is where we will continue from in today's video. But before we go fully into that, in case you are new on this platform, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. This is a platform which I used to share with you my ideas on how you can make some money for yourself online, most especially within the Forex niche. All you just need to do is just to take some time to browse through the channel, watch some of my training videos, and of course do your personal findings before you dive into any one of them. And if you love my videos, can you give me thumbs up and share with families and friends? And of course guys, I need you to practice and perfect your trading skills on your demo account. Any of the strategies you learn from my videos, kindly practice and perfect them on your demo account before you start trying them out on your real account. That is very important. And if you have any question about any of my videos, or probably you want to know more about my strategies, or you want to know more about my trading tools, feel free to contact me. My contact details are displayed on the screen and I will be dropping them in the description box below this video. If you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so right away and turn on the notification bell with into all notifications so that you will all be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. Okay, quickly before we go straight into what we have right away, okay, we will be having the program, the one-on-one training session on the 11th of December, and it's going to be an amazing opportunity for us to discuss together and also for us to prepare ahead of the year 2022. You will be having all the amazing trading strategies that will be specific about the trading activities. You will know the exact trend, the direction of the market. You will know when to go into the trade and when to exit the trade. Okay, and you will be having amazing trading tools, okay, that you've never seen before on my channel. You guys will be the first set of people that will be having access to this, and above all, you will have access to some of my trading bots, okay, which are unique. Okay, you will have access to them and you will be able to trade with them. Of course, once the slot for that is filled up, I won't have anyone to come in again, and you might not have the opportunity to have access to this bot again after the end of this program. Okay, so that is an opportunity for those of you that will be attending the program. And the program is not going to be something that will take the whole of your day. No, it's not going to take the whole of your day, because I've noticed from my past experience, it's not about the program, it is about you having something to fall back on and to watch over and over, just for you to understand how to go about it. So of course, I'm preparing the materials on ground so that you guys will have direct access to it, and it is just going to be released to you guys alone. Okay, and of course the program won't take much. It's not going to take a long time. We're just going to discuss, and I'm going to put you through some things that you need to know, and you're going to have the rest of it in your materials. Okay, so you're going to have all of it being played to you directly in your materials, and you will understand how to go about, and I will always be there to answer all your questions, so that you will be you will be well guided in order for you to achieve the goal of you making money at the end of the day. Okay, so that is all that we will be that you will be getting during the program. Okay, so that is all about the program. Let's go straight into what we have right away. So like I said, we will continue from where we stopped, and we've been looking at the area of how to use the stop loss to trade boom and crash, and we've done the part 1, we've done the part 2, and we've done the part 3. If you missed that, you can go back to the channel and watch them. You're going to enjoy this part of the training. This is 1, 2, 3. Okay, you're going to enjoy them. So today we're going to move further and see how we can use this to even trade more and even make more money with that. Okay, so let's go to the chart. Like I always tell you, it is always important you know the exact trend to trade some of these assets. Okay, once you know that, then you will know your entry point and you will know your exit point, and it is also important you know the best time frame to trade them. Okay, if you want to use stop loss, because the stop loss, the truth about it is that it's not going to save you from the spikes. Okay, but it can save you from being involved in multiple spikes, and even save some of your profit if you use the right time frame and you trade within the right trend. So which means we are leveraging on two things. We are leveraging on the time frame and also on the trend of the markets. Once you are able to leverage on these two things, then you are good to go. Okay, you don't have any issue at all. You don't have any issue at all. You can see this series of spikes that happen. It happened because the trend is on uptrend at that particular point. If you should look at the trend, it is on uptrend. Check out this series of spike. Let's say you've been coming down from here to here, and you have your stop loss somewhere here, okay, let's say this single spike is long enough to take the whole of this minute. Do you know what it's going to happen? It will only push your stop loss back to the end of this spike. Okay, that is what will happen. And do you know what, you actually entered from this arrow, and it will only reduce the profits you will be making. But what is going to happen is that once it stopped here, it's going to close the trade for you, which means the profit between here and here will go straight to the balance. You are only losing the profit between here and where the spike started from. That is the profits you are losing. Okay, this is where the spike started from, so that is the profit. You are only losing the profit between where the spike stopped and where it started from. Okay, that is the profit you are losing. But the rest of the profit, which is still large enough, big enough for you, okay, is from here to where the spike stopped. Can you see that there are other spikes that happen after that? You won't be in the market at that point, because if you had not used stop loss, it's going to take you even above your entry point, which means you will be losing your money at that point. Okay, but because you use stop loss, it's going to stop here. And do you not now know what? Let me bust your bubble, guys. This is 5-minute time frame. A single spike will not claim the whole of the 5-minute time frame. This must have happened several times. Okay, let me say like 3 times. And remember, you put your stop loss here. Let's say the first one didn't get to it, and the second one got to this level, so it will only push the stop loss backward to this level, and it's going to close the trade for you. The third one will not hit the stop loss. You won't even be in the market at that point, and that is the third one. It is the third one that closed this candle, but you won't be in the market at that point. But the rest of the profit between here and this will be in your balance at that point. So that is one beautiful thing about you leveraging on these two things, which are the time frame and also the trend of the market. So let's go to 15-minute time frame, because that is what I want us to focus on in today's video. Okay, with 15-minute time frame, your signals will even be stronger, and you will even have more opportunities to trade this asset for a very long time. All you need to do is just to follow the trend, I mean the signal that is in support of the trend. And for boom 1000, you want to focus more, because we are not trading the spike at the moment. We want to focus more on the sell signal, I mean the sell trend, which means you will have to focus on the signal that supports the trend, which is going to be a sell signal. Check it out, it is around the sell region here, the downtrend. So all you need to do is to come in when you get a sell signal. Let's say we got the sell signal, we didn't come in immediately, we came in after closing that candle and opening a new candle. Okay, so we came in here. Okay, so this is our entry point, and I love using whites as our entry point. So that makes it very easy for us to trade. This is 15 minutes, so it makes it very easy for us. It keeps on going down and down and down. It keeps on going down. This is the current action price, guys. This is the current action price. Started from the entry point. It started from this entry point, and it keeps on going down and down. Remember, each of these candles are 15 minutes, and it is very easy for us to create all these 15-minute candles, complete 15-minute candles, because the market is on downtrend already. Okay, it keeps on going down, and it has gotten to this level. Okay, it has gotten to this level. What I want you to know is that a single spike will not claim the whole of the 15-minute candle. You can see there is a spike here. Okay, it spiked up. Even this spike, as more as it is not going to be a single spike. Okay, you can see that it has some weak underneath it, and it has a little above it, which means that it's actually sold for a while, and it spiked, sold again, and still spike again before the end of that 15 minutes. And at the end of the day, it didn't go more than this. Okay, it has gone down to this level. You can always introduce your stop loss. Okay, it is wide enough, the margin is wide enough for you to have your stop loss working there. Okay, all you need to do, how do you bring in your stop loss? Okay, that is another thing you need to know. I'm going to use a red color. Let me use magenta color for that. Okay, that is another thing for you to know. What you need to do, if you don't know how to set your stop loss, just look at the margin between your entry point and your exit, and the current action price, and divide it into two equal halves. Then you put your stop loss at the middle. Okay, so that is where your stop loss is. You can see that it spiked up, it didn't get to your stop loss. If it had gotten to your stop loss, it will take you out of the market, and without it will only reduce a little out of your profit. Okay, it is as easy as that, because we are leveraging on the time frame. Timing is very, very important. We are on 15-minute time frame, and a single spike will not claim the whole of the 15 minutes. It will only get to your take profit, to your stop loss, if it is to get there. And even if it gets there and goes beyond that, it will only take a little out of your profit. It won't take the whole of your profit, not to talk of taking the whole of your capital. Okay, that is very, very important. I don't know if you are getting this. If you are getting it, then you're going to have, this is going to solve a lot of problem about the spikes that happen in between it. Okay, here is the price action. After spiking, they didn't get to the stop loss, started going down again. It came down to this level. What do? You adjust your stop loss again to the middle. Always target the middle, so that you will give the lower part of it enough time, enough breathing space to play around. It's going to spike up, go down, spike up, go down. Once it has enough space to play with, then definitely it might not get to the stop loss, because it is still on downtrend, so it will keep on going down. Okay, it will keep on going down. So it came down to this level. Of course, it has come to this level. You can still adjust your stop loss to the middle. You can see that the profit margin is now increasing. Okay, it is now increasing. You have a lot of profit locked out for yourself at this moment. Okay, it spiked up and up again till it got to this level. This it didn't get to your stop loss. If it had spiked again, it won't still get to your stop loss. If it spiked again, it can get to your stop loss and little bit above it, but at that point you will still be making a lot of profit for yourself. But it didn't spike up to the stop loss. It came down again, spiked up again, now came down. It has come down to this level. You can still adjust your stop loss to the middle again. Always target the middle, okay, so that you don't shortchange yourself. So it keeps on going down, then take it down to the middle again. Sorry about that. Okay, you take it down to the middle again, and it has gone down again. It has gone to this level. We have our exit arrow popping out here. You can either stay at the middle or you close your trade at the exit arrow and keep all these profits to yourself. They will all go to your balance, okay? But if you then close it and it goes up, as it is going up, do not take your stop loss back. No, don't take it back. Let it be where it is, okay? Let it be where it is. So, and if it gets to your stop loss just the way it had done here, it's going to close your trade for you, and you still have this profits, part of your profits, which is even a major part of it, back in your balance. But if you had closed it at this exit arrow, because the exit arrow already shows that it's going to have a pullback, how long the pullback will go you can't say, okay? It can stop here, and it can stop at the stop loss just the way it stops right here before going down again. So we cannot really say. So if you don't want to wait for the pullback and you feel that you've made enough profits already, you can just close your trade at that point and make and keep the full profit to yourself. This is a lot of money, guys, in case you don't know. This is a lot of money, and this is about 51 candles. You can do the calculations. Let's do that together so that you guys will understand what we are talking about. Times 15. Okay, this is going to be $765. Let's say we are even using the smallest lot size, and we are earning 30 cents per minute times 30 cents. Okay, that will give us $229. That's a lot of money. So if you're earning that, I believe that is cool enough for you to wait till the very end of the trend, okay? Because that is going to take a lot of time, because it's going to be pulling back. At that point, it's going to be pulling back right here. You can see it pulled back to this level. You still have to wait for it to come down, pull back again, and till it will not end the trend right here. So instead of you waiting for this long, you can just close your trade here, and when you get another sell signal here, you can come in again and close it on the exit arrow again. And when you get another sell signal here again, you can come in again and close on the exit arrow here. So it is as easy as that, and you may decide to wait till the very end of the trend if you have the time to do so. So that is all that you need to know about this, okay? How to use the stop loss to trade boom and crash from the very beginning to the very end. I mean, from your entry point to the exit point, okay? So that is how to use it, and those are the two things you leverage on. You leverage on the time frame and on the trend, okay? Once you leverage on these two things, you're going to make a lot of profit with it. So I will be stopping right here. I want you to go back to your chart. I have this set up here on your chart. Now turn it down to 15-minute time frame and try to get the trend of the market. Know your entry point, come in and start trading, okay? Once you have made some profit and you feel that the profit is large enough, then you can introduce your stop loss by dividing your the space between your entry point and your current your current action price into two equal halves, and put your stop loss in between them, okay? And as the action price is increasing, as the profit is increasing, you keep on adjusting your stop loss into the middle just to lock up more profit for yourself, okay, as the action price is moving downward. If you are trading boom, or upward if you are trading crash, then you keep on adjusting your stop loss towards it so that you will be at the middle. But do not take a reverse action on your stop loss, okay, which means if the market is pulling back, you don't adjust your stop loss, okay, you leave it where it is. If it gets to your stop loss, then that is good. If it does not, then you keep on moving on with the stop loss and let it follow up the action price as it is going towards the end of the trend or to your exit point. So that is how it works. So I want you to practice with this over and over with your demo account and share your results with me later on in the day so that we can discuss together to see how to perfect this and even make more profit with it. So I will be stopping right here. Remember, this is coming to you courtesy Qora Digital Cash, and if you have any question at all, feel free to contact me. My contact details are on the screen, and if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so now and turn on the notification bell to all notifications. And of course guys, do not forget to join me later on in the day for the $500 per day trading tips for trading boom and crash. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God